Good afternoon. The purpose of this video is to show you how to sign up for the school's WeVideo account. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your email. I'm using my personal email here just because I already have an account, and that way I can link in and show you what you'll see. And you're going to get a link from your teacher, which I would like you to please click. After you click this, it's going to give you some options. I know right now it says join Meg's organization. I'm working to change that to graded. But instead of clicking join with a new account, please click join with an existing account. That will connect you to the graded account. So you're going to click here. At this point, it may offer you an option of Google accounts or of accounts, and you want to make sure that it says here your graded email. It says my personal one because I am using that as a demonstration. And it says no charge, and it'll eventually say member of graded school. Okay? So does everything look good? You click continue. And it says, welcome to WeVideo. You're all set. Explore your brand new account and create your first video. And then if you will please click my dashboard. All right, we're going to pause you right here, but this is where you want to begin. Okay, this is your dashboard. This is your main starting point. So hopefully from this video, you've seen how to click the link, choose join an existing account, and then go to your dashboard. Congratulations.